Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get a best discount or promo code for the Roundtable Pizza, then this video is for you. Here you can see right now they are currently running a offer here, so you can go with their official website and you can simply click on order now and you can enjoy this offer from here. And otherwise, some third-party website actually can give you some exciting deals and discounts that they have collected from their official campaigns. So the first one is couponfollow.com/site/roundtablepizza.com, and if you follow this URL, then you can find this page. When you click on coupon code here, they will reveal the coupon code from here. Then simply click on copy to copy this entire coupon code, and you can use it whenever you are going to order something from the Roundtable Pizza. Now the second one is this website here, the joinhoney.com/shop/roundtablepizza. And if you follow or write this URL on your search bar and search for it, you can find this page where you can find different types of coupon and discount for this Roundtable Pizza. So you have to simply click on get coupon, and you have to do is simply add their extension to your Chrome browser. Then you can find all the coupon codes from their Chrome browser. Now from this Chrome extension actually. Now the third one is the simplycodes.com/store/roundtablepizza.com, where you can also find different types of codes that actually works for people, but this is not verified because currently they Roundtable Pizza doesn't actually launch any promotional campaign. That's why there is not enough promo code or coupon code. So you have to be active with their social presence and the official website. And also you can get the update from their physical outlets nearby you. Now you can find this code here. You can simply click on view code and it will reveal the code. Simply click on copy and you can find this code here. So you can do is try one by one and see which one actually works for you. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.